Imagine a space where art and nature intertwine seamlessly, creating an experience that transcends traditional architecture. This is precisely what Herzog de Meuron, in collaboration with landscape designer Piet Oudolf, has achieved with the newly completed Calder Gardens in Philadelphia. This innovative art institution features underground galleries and a striking reflective wall that elegantly bisects the site, inviting curiosity and exploration. Nestled on a uniquely shaped plot of land between two prominent local museums, the Barnes Foundation and the Franklin Institute, Calder Gardens is dedicated to the legacy of Alexander Calder, a renowned sculptor from Philadelphia, famous for his large-scale kinetic mobile sculptures that captivated audiences in the mid-20th century. The project showcases a central gallery building crafted by Herzog de Meuron, surrounded by lush gardens designed by Oudolf. These gardens, described as meadow-like, gracefully envelop the subterranean galleries, which are revealed through a thoughtfully designed concrete opening and a circular skylight that brings natural light into the space. The design philosophy behind Calder Gardens was intentionally crafted to stand in contrast to the imposing architecture that characterizes its surroundings. Jacques Herzog, co-founder of the studio, emphasized the importance of prioritizing space over form during the design process. In this unique commission in Philadelphia, considering the site, the open brief, and our design approach, I concentrated on the spatial experience, leading me to explore below-grade areas and uncover the defining spaces of the structure, he explained. Herzog further elaborated that Calder Gardens embodies a concept of no-design architecture, which allows the artworks to shine in their diversity and ambiguity across various spatial contexts. This approach encourages visitors to engage with the art in a more personal and meaningful way. At ground level, the garden is complemented by a long metal wall that serves as the above-ground portion of the building. This wall not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also acts as a sound barrier, minimizing highway noise and creating a tranquil environment for visitors. A charming wooden pavilion, affectionately referred to as a porch by the design team, extends from the center of the wall, providing a welcoming entry point that connects the gallery lobby to the garden. It is domestic in scale and invites individuals to immerse themselves in the Calder Gardens experience, the studio noted. The expansive 18,000 square foot structure features a long, barn-like design that houses offices, a loading area, and a cozy wood-lined lobby that leads to the porch and a staircase on the highway-facing side. The exterior is clad in blackened wood, designed to blend discreetly into the landscape. The low profile of the building is only noticeable in passing, ensuring it does not draw undue attention to itself, the architect stated. Unlike the grand entryways typical of most museums, the lobby at Calder Gardens offers a more intimate atmosphere. Visitors are then invited to descend into the underground galleries, which are thoughtfully divided into several spaces that will showcase a rotating selection of Calder's works alongside other artistic pieces. The galleries are framed with a mix of concrete, wood, and standard drywall, with some areas featuring double-height ceilings to accommodate Calder's larger sculptures. The interior also includes a mezzanine, slender windows, and a wooden staircase, all contributing to a dynamic spatial experience. At the heart of the building lies a large circular space beneath the ground floor porch, surrounded by floor-to-ceiling windows that open up to an outdoor courtyard, seamlessly connecting the indoor and outdoor environments. Adjacent to this central area is a smaller space topped with a skylight, which is visible from the gardens above. The remaining galleries branch off from this central hub, each varying in geometric shapes and sizes, including smaller niches carved into the walls for a more intimate viewing experience. Outside, Oudolf's gardens cascade down the hillside, interspersed with winding paths that guide visitors through a vibrant landscape featuring 250 different plant varieties, arranged in charming clusters. Calder Gardens is a world that unfolds as you walk through the door, the design team remarked, highlighting the immersive experience awaiting visitors. In addition to showcasing Calder's artistic legacy, Calder Gardens will serve as a venue for lectures, sonic experiences, film screenings, and various events, enriching the cultural fabric of the community. The institution is set to open its doors to the public in late September and is supported by the nonprofit Calder Foundation, with management provided by the Barnes Foundation. Herzog de Meuron is also known for their ambitious plans to transform a former Birkenstock factory into an Eames museum in California, while Piet Oudolf has made significant contributions to the Vitra campus in Germany. The photography capturing this remarkable project is credited to Ewan Ban.